My name is Avital Liberzon. I just go by Al, and I am a student for athletic training, and right now I'm working at West Lafayette High School. So I'm going to show you what I keep in my kit for game days. Biggest pocket, most of this is just tape and gauze, so all of that standard wound care. I have a bunch of just loose gauze for blood, and then other tight gauze, pretty much every shape and size that you can think of, just depending on how much blood there is to deal with. And then other end, I've also got nose plugs. Besides just the general wound care, I have my scissors, can be used for almost everything. Then this is called a shark, so that's for cutting tape off, usually for ankle tape. There's a blade right under there and you just kind of slide it off. That way it doesn't cut your skin. I have Band-Aids of almost every size. Got a lot of single use. This is just triple antibiotic ointment, single antibiotic ointment, and there should be some hydrocortisone in there. Then, thinking more wound care, alcohol wipes, tape remover. Then I have Vaseline, hand sanitizer, and a CPR mask, so one-time use just in case if I ever need to use it. Over here is gloves. Again, a bunch of different colors, just everything that I've collected over time, but that whole pocket is just for gloves because we end up having to go through so much of it. And then up here is other random little things. I have just my personal gum that I store in there. And toothpicks, never for me, it's always for coach. Somebody that is chewing on the sidelines needs a toothpick. Now I just keep it on the side just in case. And wet wipes, Sharpie, and then a bunch of medications, single-use pouches. We have Advil, Tylenol, Dramamine, Mucinex, and Benadryl. Most of the essentials, just the ones that people end up needing on a one-time basis, but that's pretty much it. Surprisingly, I fit a lot in here. Ta-da! We're in winter sports season, so it's generally wrestling and boys and girls basketball, and then some swim and dive. Track and field is starting to come in, so big ones are wrestling and basketball.